Are you single, by the way?
Yeah, I am.
Why are you single?
Sorry. Just, I don't know. I'm very picky.
Will you be picky about me?
You look pretty good.
Can I get your number?
Yeah, sure.
You got the most?
Fuck yeah. What's your name, by the way?
Morgan.
Or you?
She got you too.
Oh, damn, 2 numbers? Wait. Why are you putting your number?
What's your Instagram? You don't want me to put my number?
Go ahead, put it in.
Oh.
I can't believe this is happening.
What's your name?
Here. Sarah.
Sarah. You got a boyfriend.
Yes.
Show the boyfriend.
Okay.
Go to the boyfriend.
This is my boyfriend.
Can you see it? He has a long neck.
That's my bae.
Not for long.
Girl, you can do better than him.
Yeah,
Right?
please, I've already said it.